Well, we had a small change of events. We were actually on our way to go look at a new semi-trailer. I possibly have an opportunity to start moving a different kind of equipment, which requires a different trailer. And you can't frickin' find an equipment hauling trailer these days. It's just almost impossible. So I thought, we'll do something different. And then I got a phone call to go move some stuff. My driver's got some things he needs to take care of today, so I turned around and grabbed the truck. Got to make 2 trips into Orlando, which is never fun, but pays the bills. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move. They've got an emergency job that they need to go get started on, and we got to start getting equipment there for them today and tomorrow. So we are headed that way. Well, that was easy. A little off on this side. Not bad. That's livable. That's all livable. Next, back the truck in. Tire down. Well, that's never good. Oh yeah. All right. That stopped me in the middle of Highway 27. Now, we gotta try to fix it. I limped down to a store, got a glad hand, a pair of pliers, got no electrical tape, or not electrical tape, Teflon tape. Gosh.
A few moments later.
Well, I broke it again, but I at least got it loose. I've got no Teflon tape. I need some tape. Well, whatever. I'll go get some air on, see if it's leaking. Well, basically what I'm doing is a air pressure test like they taught us in school. Air pressure's holding and actually climbing, so I'm gonna assume it's not leaking. We're gonna give her hell and get to Orlando. We got work to do. All right, well, we got the glad hand fixed. That's good. Holding air, that's good. A little bit of a delay. That's not good, but we'll make it. Now we're just gotta fight this I-4 Orlando traffic. We've been going anywhere from 3 miles an hour to, I don't know, right now I'm doing 15, 16, yay. No need to get in a hurry. There's 3 emergency vehicles in front of me. This will be the 3rd accident, or whatever they're here for. That's Orlando. That's I-4. Well, we got all of Narcoossee Avenue held up here now. Oops. Running all over the curbs. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Now I gotta block these lanes. Got a 4-wheeler trying to pass me on my right side when I need to turn right. Whew. Come on, baby. Dang. We made it. Hitting some curbs, but just gotta pull over them slow. Alright, let's go get this thing off of here. I started turning that pony motor off while we unload, and holy crap, I'm not going through a quarter of the gasoline. It's not like it uses a lot of gasoline, but just inconvenient to get it. We try to remember to get it in the pickup trucks, you know, when we're in them. But when you forget that, you've got to get it while you're in the big truck. That's never very convenient. Dang it. Get it right, Chris, get it right. There we go. About time. Reverse, reverse. All right, that one is parked. One down. So far, uh-oh, I got the hazard lights on somehow. Here they are. The dash light is still on. Better wait and see if it goes out. Oh, it's just because of DEF. DEF, our saving grace. Don't worry, planet. The rich people that fly around in private jets have come up with a solution to save the world. DEF. I know you were all worried about that. You know, all the no more rain, no more sunshine, no more snow, no more warmth. I think they've been through just about all of it. Pretty much have no more anything. If you listen to them, it's all gone as they fly around on their private jets. DEF will fix it. Well, we're pulling up to our next stop. We got to get this one over to the same place we just left. I don't know how much of it I'm going to get on video. Somehow I came to work with a bunch of dead batteries today. I obviously forgot to charge them over the weekend, but we're going to get this one loaded up and get it on down the road. All right, loader's loaded. Battery's dying on the camera, but we're loaded up. It's hot. We're gonna move it down the road. That is every single day on I-4. Every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every day. Just something we got to deal with. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today. 2 loads into Orlando. That's about all the fella can handle in one day. I probably could have pushed it harder and got a third, but they called late, and I didn't feel like working late. We got full day tomorrow. I'm gonna try to let my driver take care of it. I'm gonna run go look at that trailer. It's over in Daytona. So hopefully that's the plan for tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyway, appreciate y'all hanging out with me today. And any advice, leave it in the comment section.
Yeah,